India's COVID task force is meeting over the new mutant strain of the coronavirus. The task force is going to deliberate on its strategy on how to prepare and better plan to both detect and contain the mutant COVID virus. Joining us with all the details of this important meeting, Sukirti, what more can you tell us? This is an extremely important meeting. Many experts have now said that given the fact that India has continued to maintain a declining trend as far as COVID-19 numbers, cases and deaths is concerned, the mutant strain could be a cause of concern.
Well, yes, Divya, a very important meeting that took place last evening, and the government has come out with a statement with regard to what exactly were the conclusions that they've made in this meeting. One, they figure out a strategy to detect the presence of the UK strain and how to contain it if it is found. Now, important steps that have been taken. One, of course, the UK passengers who've already arrived, more than 50 samples from that end are already being tested for genome sequencing at 6 labs across the country. Apart from that, a special consortium is going to be set under the National Center for Disease Control to carry out routine genome sequencing. That's something the government has come up with, saying that it's not just going to be about the UK strain now, but even at regular intervals, genome sequencing will be carried out to find out what are the different strains of COVID-19 that are found in India, that are prevailing in India. Also, apart from the UK passengers, at least 5% of the positive samples from all across the country will be sent for genome sequencing. So while the testing and discharge protocol for the general public remains same, there are still strict protocols for the passengers who tested positive, and they are being kept under institutional quarantine. But the government is also thinking at a larger strategy in terms of how in the times going ahead we will keep a close eye on what are the different strains and how to carry out genome sequencing for those.